Hi, nice to meet you again. Today we want to make the harmonic menu, blend of ravioli and lasagna. For the first time we can make the skin of lasagna. The lasagna skin we need is medium flour, egg, salt, vegetable oil or olive oil, and water. Okay, we need to make the pasta. For make roll it, we can use the machine, small machine, or with rolling pin. Okay, let's go to start. First we put the flour on a big bowl, and then egg yeah, we have to break the egg with separate bowl, yeah, or make sure the egg is still good. Just put it on, and then the salt, oil, and the water. Water we have to put slowly, and we can control the dough if the water is enough or we need more water until the dough is solid, and we have to knead slowly. Okay, we just make a dough like a bread, yeah. We have to push and then make the dough is solid and soft, yeah. It's like that, yeah. The dough is, we need the, like the stick enough, the gluten, yeah. And then after we put in the plastic bag or cling film or plastic wrap, yeah. And then after we put in the cold room or chiller for 1 hour or half an hour at least, yeah. Hi guys, nice to see you again. Yeah, today we're gonna make ravioli lasagna. Ravioli lasagna is very nice, yeah. So we make the skin, and this needs to be rest for 30 until 1 hour, yeah. This only the flour, salt, and little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil, and water, and egg as well. And you can see at our recipe, yeah, after. And then the filling, we make it from, this is the chicken, yeah, chicken, and then we saute garlic and onion, and we put some salt, and then also the pepper, salt and pepper. And then for the sauce, we're gonna make from concasse, yeah. Concasse, we just boil the tomato, and we cut quarter on the top and we boil it, and after we take it out the skin and we chop it, and then we put some tomato paste as well. We melt the butter. We melt the butter for saute. Okay, just put it in the onion, and then the garlic as well. Okay, we saute until the smell is very nice and strong. It's coming out. After the smell is coming out, we put it the mince of chicken. And we cook until the chicken is cooked enough. Okay. When it's cooked enough, we put it the spinach, and it is already clean. We just put it off. Okay. We just put it the salt and pepper. Some cheese inside, yeah. This is we use cheddar cheese. Okay. See. Okay. Until sticky enough, yeah. And then we take it out from the stove, yeah. We just keep it until cold, yeah. Okay. We keep it out. We keep it this one, the filling, and we keep until cold. Okay. Yeah. We can roll, yeah. Roll it, please. Okay, yeah. After we roll like this, yeah, and then we put the filling. And then we roll the topping, yeah. We have to roll the topping. Is the size is make sure it's enough, and then we put some water on the side, yeah. We brush the water here for make it sticky of each other. And after we put on top of Yeah, like this. And then we have to make like this, yeah. Make sure here is all stick together, okay? And then we cut it. That's it. Okay. Like this. Okay. And we make all. Ready, we make all the ravioli. We fill it with chicken and spinach and cheese as well. Now we have to take it out the skin of tomato. Yeah, skin of tomato. This is very easy, you see. Yeah. After we boil, very easy. And take it out the skin and the seed inside.
All the tomatoes.
Yeah. After we chop the tomato, it's or fine chop, yeah. Napolitan sauce. Okay, let's go to make. Yeah. Turn it on. Turn on the stove and make it the pan hot. And we put some butter, yeah, a bit of butter for saute of garlic and onion.
Garlic.
You use food.
This food. Yes.
Food, yes. And then
Garlic and
after that, the onion. And then stir it up like this.
The tomato paste. One spoon of tomato paste. Okay. Tomato. You can put also some tomato sauce if you need more sour or more taste of tomato. You can put more like tomato sauce, yeah. You put some thyme and oregano. Some bay leaf. Yeah. That's it. taste, we put some chopped sauces. Yeah, we use the beef sauces or chicken sauces. It doesn't matter. You can put also minced meat if you like. Okay, water. Yeah, we put some water. Just a little bit water for make it more juicy. Some salt and pepper. This is depend of we need it. Yeah, and after we take it out from the stove. Thank you. The sauce. Yeah. Sauce. Just like make a roux first. Fire, and we put the flour. Alright, here we go. Until like this, yeah. Okay, mix more fire, and we put some salt and pepper. Some salt and pepper, yeah. And also we can put some nutmeg if you want, yeah. Like this. Okay, that's it. We are boiling. We boil the ravioli. Okay, we just take it out. Okay, then water. Okay, enough for swimming. Yeah. Just put it 2 pieces on the bottom. Yeah. This is for the first layer, and after the second layer as well. Yeah, the second layer. Okay, good. Yeah, and then put some sauce. Or if you doesn't want the sauce, you just put it the white sauce. Yeah, this will make the chicken layer. Yeah, and then we just put it the white sauce. Yeah. Like this. This one also good. Yeah, like this. Okay, we put it as well. This is the meaning two way you can enjoy the lasagna, yeah. Okay, and then we put some grated of cheese on top, mozzarella on top, yeah, mozzarella on top, just a little bit mozzarella. Yeah, or the cheddar cheese, yeah. This is doesn't matter, whatever we want and we need it, depend of the cost. Yeah, depend of the cost, yeah. Okay, that's it, and then we go to bake. Yeah. And we put in the oven is 180 degree for 20 minutes. Yeah. After 22 minutes, yeah, this is already cooked, yeah, the small one. Okay, yeah, we have to take it out. Also, we can put some fire, yeah. If we want to more excited or more, yeah, that's it. Yeah, more burn and more exciting. Yeah. More exciting. This is the last ravioli lasagna, yeah. This presentation. We'll take presentation and then for serving. Wow, wow, wow. Excellent, yeah. Excellent. It's very nice. See? Wow. Lasagna ravioli.
Enak sih.
Thank you for following us from the beginning until finish. Thank you. See you in next menu. Bye.